Well, what's going on today, YouTube land, gun tubers? Look what we got today. Today is Honey Badger Day. Now, let's get right to it. All right, so this is the box. I was gonna talk, but y'all don't want to hear me yapping. Just cardboard box, nothing too fancy. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Looks like a fix musket or something. But look at here, woo-wee. All right, so got some paperwork here with some stickers. Get the owner's manual, the lock, all that good stuff. Then it came with a one Magpul magazine. The last one I had came with a metal magazine, but hey, we'll take whatever comes with it, right? Got a magazine. And there's the beauty. Some kind of little card in here to read this stuff later, see what that's all about. And there she is. So I got the pistol version. I used to have the SBR version, and I ended up selling that. And of course I regretted it, like I always do. And then I came and got this one today. So look at here, I've got the pistol version with the pistol brace, and it's got a chamber flag in it. Let's go ahead and clear it out. Well, let me get to it. It's stuck. All right, so that was jammed up in there. That's funny, but yeah, works fine. Look at there. Real nice. It's got this Q trigger in this one, and it's windy out here today. See if we can't get not blown away. But it's got that Q cherry bomb suppressor adapter up here and muzzle device. Yeah, look at there. This is how you take the brace out, push that button. And stock was really a lot like this, pretty close to it. But that's it, guys. What do y'all think? New addition. New Safe Queen. No, I'm not 100% Safe Queen. We're gonna be shooting this one too. Matter of fact, I got some other goodies coming with it. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. So I've already got some goodies coming with it. It's gonna go with this sucker. So just wanted to show y'all what I got, unbox it here, and yeah, tell me what you think. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. We out. Peace.